got my air horn. She's right there, standing right next to it. Yeah. Alright guys, get ready. No. It doesn't seem everybody didn't care, but... Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next one. I did an air horn prank on my friend Evelyn. So, yep. See you next one.